This embellished art technique begins on a finished PLEXIGEL enhancement in a stiletto shape. Apply a thin layer of shellac in asphalt. Do not cure. Use a brush lightly moistened with 99% IPA to remove the shellac from both sides of the tip in a semicircle pattern utilizing the negative space technique. Cure for 1 minute on button 2S. Repeat and refine the shellac application for additional coverage. Utilize a long liner art brush for detail and precision. Cure for 1 minute on button 2S. Apply CND shellac matte top coat and do not cure. Use a brush lightly moistened with 99% IPA to remove the matte top coat from both sides of the tip in a semicircle pattern. Cure for 1 minute on button 3. Clean with 99% IPA. Apply protector top coat to the negative space portions of the nail. Cure for 1 minute on button 3. Clean with 99% IPA. Use a fine tip permanent marker to indicate the piercing placement. Utilize an E-file to pierce tiny holes along each side wall of the tip. Clean with 99% IPA. Use tweezers to apply and secure gold rings into each piercing. Apply a short vertical line of builder down the center of the nail in zone 3 and place embellishments into the uncured gel. Seal the perimeter of the embellishments to secure with matte top coat. Cure for 1 minute on button 3. And there you have it, Adorned ONYX,